You see, people are looking for the shadows.
Yeah.
Working on
You
the
can,
shadows.
you cannot see people in the middle, you know.
Yeah.
Only at the left or at the right. Hello everybody.
Hello, everybody.
We just got off from the Mo Chit BTS station, and now we are heading to the Chatuchak weekend market.
Yay!
Yeah, so today is Sunday afternoon, and yeah, we will go to see the market. So it's open only Saturday and Sunday, and they sell a lot of stuff. You can find a lot of food, but also a lot of goods. So a lot of tourists come here to buy souvenirs. It's because there is a lot of different kind of things, and it's pretty cheap. So let's go. We can see from here at the entrance there is a temperature control, because we are still in the COVID-19 situation, and okay, we go inside from here.
Yeah, inside from here.
Okay, we will do the check-in first.
Okay, we did the check-in. We signed our name and our phone number. We can also do it with the QR code.
Yeah.
Sometimes we did it, and sometimes we prefer to sign our name. The same actually.
Yeah, so you have to sign your name and to put your phone number.
Yeah. This is in case if they find a COVID case here in Chatuchak, they can contact us. Okay, we arrived at Chatuchak. We are inside now, the Chatuchak weekend market.
Yeah, and there is a lot of sun.
Yeah, it's a hot day. It's 33 degrees.
Okay, I will go to the
We are
right
dying.
side, to the right side, because there is some shadow.
It's better.
Yeah, so as you can see, there is so many things, many stuff to buy. Lot of t-shirts, lot of foods, great foods.
It's one of the biggest market in Bangkok also.
Yes.
It has about 2,000 stalls here.
2,000.
2,000, yeah.
Yeah, because you can see there is a lot of small alley,
Inside.
small street.
So you have a part outdoor, like here, and
Yeah.
you have a big part indoor.
So now there is quite a lot of people, but usually it's really crowded.
Yeah, it's
Like
more crowded than this.
you can see a lot of people on the main street, but
This is only few people today. Need a pigeon.
pajamas. And you have drink stores here, because you need a lot of drinks here. Lot of good t-shirt, 100 baht.
It's funny because the sun is too strong. You see, people are looking for the shadows.
Yeah.
Working on
You
the
can,
shadows.
you cannot see people in the middle, you know.
Yeah.
Only at the left or at the right. Nobody wants to walk in the center of the road.
Do you know here there is also the Chatuchak Plain Market? It's open only on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday during the day.
Mm.
Yeah, and we've been there also and it's
Yeah.
really big.
Yes.
Really interesting.
Oh, nice car. You can take this one.
Yeah, for free?
Yeah, I think so. For in case you're tired, because it's so big.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because you know, actually, so you can see here. So section 20, soy 27. So yeah, the market is organized like this. You have the main street here, but we have a lot of different soy, so street, and different section.
Mm.
I don't know how many soy there are, but I guess it's a lot. So you can find pretty everything here. You have plants here, some t-shirts. Pajamas, bags. It's easy, you just get off at Mo Chit
Oh, yeah,
Station.
station.
and we just walk like, yeah, just 5 minutes. Huh?
Yeah, 5 minutes walking from the station.
And there is also another way to come here is by MRT,
Yeah.
and you can get off directly inside the market.
Yeah.
So actually it's just in front. We will see the station. But yeah, it's quite easy to come here
Yeah.
because it's,
It's really convenient to come.
yeah, because it's not in the middle, in the center city. But it's pretty easy to come. More drinks here, 20 baht.
Hey, it's really cheap. 20 baht for the lemon
Yeah.
juice or coconut juice also.
Yeah,
You have also longans juice.
Longans.
Yeah.
Maybe we have to switch to the left side
Yeah, go.
because left side more shadow.
Ah,
Oh, feel fresh. There is a lot of restaurant too. Some noodle soup or pad thai or rice to eat quick and cheap
yes.
and good.
You eat efficiently and then you go shop again.
Yeah.
Actually, you have so many choice. You cannot go wrong with the restaurant here. They are all good if you like Thai food.
Yeah, it's funny. This it's like a Japanese station. GG Market.
Yeah, this is the name.
Miruku.
This is the name of the Chatuchak market.
Yes, okay.
They also call it JJ Market.
Okay, so we have like Japanese food stalls. They have milk, Oh, it seems nice, huh?
Oh, we can try later.
Ah, yes. Many things to try here. Yeah, so we really like to come here
Yes.
because we can just like hang out here, walking around and eat things, eat good things, and shop.
Yep.
So many things to see, and so many sites to explore.
Yeah, true.
So here,
This is the station.
yeah. So this is the station MRT, and yeah. So you just come here, and what is the station name? Lyn is checking. Is checking what is the MRT station name. Some books, magazine. Ooh. Some mango.
Yeah, I think the station name is Kamphaeng Phet. I'm sorry. I'm going to show it on the screen.
Yeah, yeah. We will put on the screen.
Yep.
But it's Kamphaeng
Try it.
MRT. Kamphaeng Phet. Okay, maybe you will find yourself another place.
But there are two stations near here for the MRT. You have the Chatuchak Park also.
So yeah.
This one is near to the BTS Mo Chit.
Okay.
But the one you just saw, it's a new one, opened
Yeah.
this year.
Kamphaeng Phet. Here we have some kitchen stuff. Seven pair of socks for 100 baht.
Wow, it's so cheap.
Here we have a motorbike park.
Oh, good music. Oh no, it's not music.
Wow, so many things to eat. I want to try so many things.
Oh, smoothie for 25 baht.
Wow. Oh, so kebab, chicken kebab, beef kebab. So many foods to try. Yeah, the good thing is that you can just take some food and you buy and you just work and eat at the same time.
Yep.
And shopping, looking around.
Yeah.
And if you are hungry again, you can just buy another things and buy a drink and yeah, and just walk like this and,
Yeah, and this
see
way-
many things.
And this way you will not get fat
Yeah,
and maybe healthy.
you eat and you train at the same time. And we are sweating too, so
Oh, this is the Mixt Chatuchak,
yes,
the new shopping mall
new shopping mall. Yeah.
inside of Chatuchak market.
Yeah, so it's a great things because if like you are too hot, you can go inside and just enjoy the AC, just to cool a little bit.
Yeah.
And there is also a toilet. So because usually here to the toilet is you have to pay. Maybe well it's cheap, huh, but
Yeah, it's cheap.
but you have to pay. And here inside, you can just take a rest and.
Yeah, and you can also find many shops like this
Yeah,
inside the shopping mall, and surprisingly, the price are almost the same.
yeah,
So yeah, really good also.
And you have a food court at the top also.
Yep.
So yeah, if you just want to rest and eat some things, you can just go at the food court.
Yep.
And then come back here, shop again, enjoy.
Yeah, you can either shop inside the mall or here outside. It's up to you. It depends if you can bear or not the weather of Thailand.
เดี๋ยวเลือกข้าวมันไก่คนละครึ่งด้านนี้ได้นะคะได้ก่อนนะจ๊ะ
There are some shops that are closed.
Maybe we are going to one ID because we almost did the tour of outside. Maybe we are going to one of these IDs and
Okay.
finish the walk in the other
Let's
side.
Let's take
Just to
the soy 11.
So 11 is the goods. Oh, okay.
I don't know
Let's
what is
go.
it, but let's go see. Okay, so inside it's like this. We have a lot of soy here. So we have soy 11/2. So you can imagine how big the market is,
Yeah.
because we have a lot of section, and in the section we have a lot of soy, and in the soy we have a lot of different intersection.
Yep.
And guys, we will also do another video on Chatuchak market. We will film more here to see more details and to grasp the life of the people here, but also the life of the market actually.
Yep.
And so we will have film a lot of different short video,
Yeah. Yeah.
and yeah, so we will have a video, and you can check out in our channel. So here we are more inside the market.
คุณถามได้ไหมเขาผ่าน
And here we can see the tower clock.
This can be also the meeting point actually if you are
Lost.
yeah. Can be here. Okay guys, we think that we will end the video here. Hope you enjoy this walking tour in Chatuchak market today. We really enjoy it, and yeah, if you like it, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. And see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you in the next one, guys.
Yay.